Welcome back, boys and girls. Today we're going to be watching video 2 on the National Parks project, and we're going to learn a couple of different ways to open your map that you created last class, and we're going to add directions to your park, like driving directions. We'll also be clicking and creating a template for a Google Doc right here, and what we're going to do with that is end up making a copy for yourself where you can then rename it and type inside of it. So let's begin. To open up your map, we're going to learn a couple of ways. One of the first ways is if you come up here and click on the new tab, and then you can kind of come over here to the Google Apps dots there in the corner, and you may see maps here, or you may have to scroll down just a little bit or click more to get to it. But go ahead and click Maps. Give it a moment. Now, kind of like we did last class where we clicked the dot, or click the bars for the menu, you can click those bars and slide down to where it says Your Places. Click on Your Places. And then we're going to come over here and click Maps. And then last class what we did is we went down here and we clicked on Create Map. Oops, I clicked it on accident. We were down here and we clicked on Create Map. What we're going to do though is you should have a map up here with the title of your national park from last time. So you can click that to open it. And now this is kind of an important one, and that is you really need to click on Open in My Maps, okay? Otherwise it's not going to be the same. But let me show you another way to open up a map. You can also start a new tab. Now, on your Chromebook, you can press the magnifying button where the old caps lock used to be. If you have the apps buttons up here, you could click on it there. Or like just about anything in the Google Suite, if you type in what it is that you're looking for example, we're going to do maps.google.com. And that'll also take you to the same type of a page. So now that I'll go through again, click the three bars, Your Places, Maps, and then you can click on the map that you created last time. Open in My Maps. Alright, so now we opened it. Now we need to add driving directions. So what we're going to do is I can click on where last class we had this pin from Grand Canyon National Park. So I'm going to click on that. This pops up right here, and if you can see there's a little arrow there, and if you hover over top it says directions to here. So we're going to click that. And it's going to start blinking over here of where you're coming from. So we can go ahead and type in Reedsburg, WI, enter. And there's a set of driving directions. Now this is just the actual map part. To see the actual directions, if we click on these three dots, and we can go step-by-step directions. And that'll give us directions to the park. 1,642 miles, a day and 38 minutes. Okay, so that's pretty much all we're going to be doing with the park for right now. So I'm going to close out those couple of tabs. And I'm going to come back here to this screen, the 4th grade homepage on the National Parks link. And now I'm going to open the Google Docs template. Alright, now what we're going to do here is you're only going to have it's going to say view only in this area right here. So what we're going to do then is we're going to do a file, make a copy. So we're going to come up here and click the word file. Down here click make a copy. Now this is going to be the name of the document. So what I'm going to have you do is we're going to kind of click a little careful in here. So I clicked right in front of that 4, and I'm going to press my delete button. And I'm going to arrow over, get rid of those two lines, and here's where I want you to put in your teacher's first and last initial. This will help me kind of keep all of yours sorted. So I have 4JM National Parks, and where it says your name, I'm going to delete that. And then you can go ahead and type in your name. And when you're finished with that, go ahead and click OK. Now you're going to see your own copy here. So what I'm going to do right away is I'm just going to click the X on that tab and get rid of it. That way I know that I'm not going to try to be clicking it or doing anything on the wrong map. So the last thing for today is we are going to come down here and where it says Video 2, enter the name of your national park here. We're going to click inside of the box and I'm going to type in the name of my park. Alright, awesome. So that's it for this video. Hope it all goes well for you, and we'll look forward to video number 3.